Happy Tuesday. I'm about to film some OOTD content. I washed my hair, so I'm feeling extra fresh. I'm currently waiting on a product to come in the mail that I need to film some UGC videos for. So in the meantime, since I have some extra time, I'm trying to just like film some content for myself and get some other things out of the way before that comes in the mail, because I have a deadline for this Friday to have those videos ready for and submitted by. So it's a little stressful, but I'm trying to just calm myself down and remind myself that I have time, because I always stress myself out about stuff like this. But I really do have a lot of time, so it's fine. So I have a full free day today, which gives me plenty of time to get some extra content drafted so I can post later on in the week so I don't have to worry about it. These are the outfits that I'm gonna film. I got these shorts off of TikTok Shop. I haven't worn them yet, and I was like, how am I gonna style these? Because I didn't think I had a green or a blue shirt, but I have this one from Pumi. I think it works. It's not the same exact color as the green on the shorts, but that's fine. And then I paired it with this denim purse I got from Lulu's. I found these sandals in my closet that I completely forgot that I had, and I hardly wear them, but I think this is gonna make a cute outfit. And then next I have this Pumi shirt with these pants that I got off of TikTok Shop. I love these so much. I made a video with these yesterday, but I didn't really like how they looked styled with my gazelles. I mean, I took some pictures and I like how the pictures came out, but I wanna see how they look styled with these platforms that I got from Lulu's. These are so cute. And then I'm gonna pair it with my pink Lulu crossbody, because in the video yesterday, I think I just paired it with this purse. And I just think that this crossbody just brings all of the colors together. So I think this is gonna look really cute. There are subtle changes, but I think it's just gonna give it a completely different look, and I'm excited to see how that looks when I try it on. And then lastly, I just need to create a video with this Pumi top. I love these Pumi tops. They're so comfortable. This color isn't my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. It's a gray color, but I do need to submit a video for them since they did send me this. I'm not putting too much detail into this outfit because I'm focusing on the top, and it looks wrinkled right now, but they go away once I put it on. My lips are looking good. I still have like 2 tiny bruises right here and right here that I tried to cover up, but you can't really tell, so it's fine. And I didn't overline them. Normally I always overline my lips, but I made sure not to do that today just because I wanted to see how they would look without overlining them, and I love how they look. I think they look so good. I'm definitely going to overline them at some point, don't get me wrong. I just was experimenting with them today. I overlined them yesterday and I thought they looked a little bit crazy, maybe a little bit too big, so that's why I switched it up today. My camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna charge it and then I'll show you what the first outfit looks like. This first outfit is so cute. I even added my green flower claw clip. I feel like it just ties everything together. The shoes are meh. I mean, like the sandals are meh, but I love the green and the blue. If I had like some green and blue gazelles or sambas, like this outfit would be so much cuter. But I mean, the sandals are perfect for summer. The shorts are really comfortable too. I like how they're high rise. I wish I had like a green cropped top. I was debating pairing these shorts with my white Pumi top because the white one I have is cropped. I think that probably would have looked a little bit better, but I wanted to focus on the blue and green, so I think it looks good. But yeah, there's so many different ways that you can style these shorts. I love it. Yay. Okay, next outfit. I knew I was gonna like this way more than how I styled it yesterday with my gazelles. The pants just look so much cuter with these platforms. I'm obsessed. And with my crossbody, of course. I did a pink claw clip. I love this. I'm about to change back into this outfit so I can get some cute pics, and tell me why I just remembered that I had this top. I got this from Target for like $5 last year, and this is just so much cuter. It's a tank, which is perfect for summer. Ugh, now I'm just like thinking whether or not I want to reshoot that video because I don't know if I like this anymore. Darn it. All right, I just changed. I like the top, but I don't like it as much as I thought I was gonna like it. Something about it, I think it's just the material. The material is not it. Similar to like the Skims cotton material I was talking about. It's just a little rough. But I asked my husband what he thinks and he said it looks fine. So I think I'm just in my head. Not something I would typically wear. I mean, as far as the color goes, the green and the blue, but I'm trying to step outside my comfort zone and wear something other than pink. My mirrors came in the mail from TikTok Shop, so next thing on my agenda is to replace them with this, and then I have one over there that I want to replace with this one. So this is a circular one. I haven't measured it, but I'm hoping that it's gonna fit. I'm pretty sure it will because I didn't measure this one either, and they're almost the same size. I kind of looked up the dimensions and figured that it would be relatively the same size. I've been seeing these at HomeGoods and Marshalls, and once I saw them on TikTok Shop, I applied for the free sample, and I was so excited when they got approved. So I say next thing on my agenda, but my husband is gonna really be the one hanging them for me, so he's so sweet. I'm so glad that they didn't break during the shipping either, because when I ordered a mirror from Urban Outfitters last year, it came shattered. But none of the mirrors that I've ordered from TikTok Shop have came broken. So that's why I love TikTok Shop. Look how nice this is. I think I got these old mirrors from Bed Bath & Beyond forever ago, so I don't know if I'm just gonna donate them or try to sell them. I might just end up donating them though, because that'll just be easier. And yay, this is so pretty. I love this. I feel like this vintage trim is just so timeless. That was so quick and easy because we actually ended up having like these nails that hold up to 20 pounds, and this mirror is only 20 pounds. We used 2 nails, and that was just a lot easier than drilling holes into the wall. I just feel like it opens our space up so much more. I love this, and I want to replace this frame, this black one right here eventually. I just feel like it doesn't go with the vibe, and then eventually just get rid of this black table too. This is like one of the first things we bought when we moved into our apartment, but one thing at a time. And I just love this gold mirror so much. And I was worried that this one was gonna be too big for over the sink. It like barely fits perfectly. And I need to clean it up over here so I can do like a after shot, because my apartment's a little messy right now, but I just feel like it's giving like princess vibes, like a mirror that Cinderella would have. And I'm just like, how cute is that? I love it. Happy Thursday. I just got to my 1-week checkup appointment for my lips. I lined them and I have a clear gloss on right now, but I think they look so freaking good. I'm obsessed with them. I'm back home now. We didn't change anything because my lips are perfect. My injector, Laura, it just feels like she's my best friend. I love her so freaking much. We were just like talking for like a good 15 minutes about just makeup and random stuff before we even got to my lips. But she thinks they look great. I think they look great. And yeah, that's the tea on that. I wanted to show you some PR I got yesterday. This is a huge PR box. I was like, what did I order? But this is Viva La Juicy, their gold couture new perfume. And how big this box is. My husband and I haven't played pickleball in so long, but how cute is that? It comes with 2 pickleball paddles. It says Team Couture, Juicy Couture. Thank you, Juicy. I smelled this yesterday. I just need to get a picture of it to post on Instagram, but I don't own any Juicy perfumes. I know they smell so good, and I am a sweet perfume girly. And their packaging is just so cute, right? Look at that. Kind of matches my vibe right now, the black. I love this black polka dot bow. This one says it has notes of golden amber, melted caramel, and vanilla. It smells really good. So I like this one. I'm like, yay, I can add that to my perfume collection. And then I also got this Viktor and Rolf perfume in the mail. I tried this today. I sprayed it on myself before I went in, had my appointment. So this is the Flower Bomb Tiger Lily. I like this one more than the last one they sent me. I forget what that one was, but I guess this is their newest fragrance, the Tiger Lily. And this one has keynotes of coconut milk, tiger lily, and mango. I love the packaging on this too. It's so sleek. Right now, I'm about to get started on my UGC videos that I need to film. I have 5 videos due tomorrow. I was just using these last couple of days to get caught up on other things, and I didn't start the videos yet because I'm waiting on the product to come in the mail. I got the tracking number, and I don't think it's going to be delivered today. It might be delivered tomorrow. I realized I can get a head start and film some of the clips without the product, so I'm gonna do that right now. I think I can do like at least 1 video without the physical product, but the other 4 videos, I need the product. So I'm just waiting on that. At the same time, try to keep your right leg and really focus on exhale crunch. Happy Friday. I just finished styling my hair. I did Delaney's messy bun. I feel like I have a bunch of tendrils like Medusa, but I think it's cute. So right now I'm about to film some videos. I just got this Rare Beauty PR package in the mail. This is her new pressed powder. I don't know if it's a foundation. I think it's just like a finishing powder. So I want to make a TikTok using this for the first time. I always say I want to do more talking to the camera style videos, so this is my perfect opportunity. It came with 3 shades, and I feel like one of them has definitely got to work. So I'm gonna use this, and then I have to make a video with this Tower 28 Beach Please blush. I haven't used this yet either. This is off of TikTok Shop, and I have like 3 days to post this. I just have been putting it off, but look how pretty that blush is. Apparently you can use it on your lips too. You know, makeup, there's no rules, but I saw someone in the video put it on their cheeks and their lips, and I've been seeing Hailey Bieber do that too. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's unscented because Tower 28 is all about sensitive skin. I tried to get their Tower 28 SOS spray, I think that's what it's called, because I think it's good for psoriasis and eczema and all that stuff, but they didn't approve it. So I ordered another spray that has the similar ingredients, and that just got approved. I forget what it's called, but it's supposed to be really good for acne, and it's been going viral on TikTok, so I ordered one. That should be coming in the mail soon. I just feel like I need to tap back into my creativity. It's been dwindling a little bit. This blush is so freaking pretty. It is a cream, and you know, I'm super oily, but I'm gonna see how this holds up. The color is just stunning. I haven't done my makeup like this. This is like a full face for me. It's not technically a full face because I'm not wearing a full face of foundation, but like the wing liner and everything else. I've just been lazy with my wings lately, but whenever I do my winged liner, it just brings me back to life, and I'm like, why did I stop doing my makeup like this? It does take a little bit longer, but oh my gosh, who is she? My bruises on my lips are finally almost gone. I love this combo. I have this on my cheeks and my lips. It's so freaking pretty. I'm wearing Rare Beauty's Kind Words lip liner in the color Wise. This is like my favorite shade. It's so pretty. I keep saying so pretty, but I'm really obsessed. Oh my God. I haven't even done faux freckles in forever. That's how you know I've been out of it. I was doing faux freckles like almost every day, and then I completely stopped, at least for a month. But I'm like, she's back. I have my messy bun up. Okay, I need some pictures. I need to finish this video. Oh, but update on the powder. I really love it. It looks so good. I didn't put it all over my face. I just put it where I applied my concealer. So under my eyes, my T-zone, well, just my forehead, and then around my mouth, because that's where I get breakouts, and it looks so freaking good. Yay! You guys gotta try this. Oh, my alarm to post is going off. Yes, I set an alarm every day to post, otherwise I'll forget. I like posting at the same time every day. But yeah, if you're an oily girly, or if you are like a natural makeup girly, this works for me. Like, I think you should try this out, because they said that you can also wear it on top of like foundation and other things too, but for me, I don't do a full face of foundation anymore. and it works perfect for me. You can even wear it alone. So I'm excited to try this without concealer and just on my skin and see what it covers up and smooths and blurs, because it does really have that smoothing and blurring effect, which I need because my pores are huge. I have acne prone skin and I'm a grease ball, so love this, yay! Okay, I'm like on a high right now, obviously. That's what makeup does to you, right? It just makes you feel better about yourself. I'm almost done. I just need to make the outro for this powder. It's about 6:30. I just got to Ulta because I have been wanting to get the Urban Decay Space Cowboy eyeshadow for the longest time. It's been viral for years, and my injector was wearing it on her lids for my last appointment. I thought it was so pretty, so I'm here to pick that up. And then after this, I think I'm gonna go to HomeGoods and get some content, because the last time I was there, I didn't like the content that I got for my social media. I mean, like, I got a little vlog, but I like to get content of myself shopping, and my hair just wasn't it, my outfit wasn't it. So I am wearing my pink pajama pants with this cute top. My hair looks super cute in the messy bun. Since it took me so much time, I was like, I need to get content looking this cute because this is not an everyday occasion. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Update on the powder though, my skin is still looking so freaking good. I mean, of course, my Botox is toxin right now, and that has something to do with it too. But the formula of this pressed powder, if you're an oily girly, or if you have large pores, like, don't sleep on this. I just got to HomeGoods. Ulta was sold out of Space Cowboy, but the worker showed me this eyeshadow that's similar by MAC. He gave me a little sample. So I ordered that because it's way more shimmery than Space Cowboy was, because I did a little swatch with the sample one that they had. And this one, it's not showing up on camera as good as it was in store. Like, the lighting in this store was on another level, I'm telling you. Like, it was so freaking shimmery. Like, I have two swatches on my hand right here, but you can barely even see them. So you could barely see the Space Cowboy, but the one that I bought from MAC, you could see it so good. So I don't know if I'm gonna regret buying it or not, just because, like, now that I'm out in regular daylight, you can't really see it as much. Maybe it has to just be like certain lighting. Anyways, it was like $30 and I got a sample, so at least I can wear it a couple of times. I just finished putting it on my lids to make sure that I love it. But yeah, I was just like, okay, I'm gonna buy this just because it was so pretty in the store. I haven't bought anything MAC in so long. She said it'll get here by the 25th, which is in a couple of days, so not bad at all. How cute is this little sample pod by MAC though? They got some more pink Halloween decor. I didn't see these last time I was here. So cute. I like this skull. This is a whole row dedicated to Halloween. I love it. Look how cute these ghost pillows are. Oh, see, I want to get some pink candy corn. Oh my gosh. I'm in heaven. All the pink Halloween decor. I'm here for it. Oh my goodness. Adorable. It's gonna be so hard not getting anything today. I'm back home now and I just realized you can see my glitter shadow so much better in this light. I don't think I'm gonna end up returning it because it is really pretty under the right light. Oh my god, I love this. This is like the perfect shadow for Vegas. And we're actually going at the end of next month, so I'm just gonna be wearing it the whole time we're out there. I'm gonna end the vlog here and start a new one next week. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.